go.
You made it.
Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware, Bay Waters, North Point, New Jersey, to Water Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay, North Coastal Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, warnings should remain for the rapidly changing weather conditions and related severe
Thunderstorm watch number 473 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Harmon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, Pike, and Schuylkill. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the southern Poconos, this afternoon, showers with a chance of sun.
and the following marine locations: Delaware, Bay Waters, north of East Point, New Jersey.
The entire forecast area.
And Chesapeake Bay,
Nearly.
north of Plymouth
Almost.
Island, Maryland.
The entire catch, 28 districts, 39 areas at least.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, this afternoon, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Near steady temp.
I was in the car for like 30 minutes. I got home at 1:40. I was so happy that I just caught this.
Due to severe thunderstorm warning
Hi.
for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3 p.m.
Hi.
At 2:10 p.m., a severe
Hi,
thunderstorm
how's it
was
going?
located near Glenroy, or 13
Oh, my
miles
eyes.
north of Havre, Delaware Grace, moving east at 25 miles per
Hi.
hour. Hazard:
Hi,
60
how you
miles
doing?
per hour wind gusts.
Hi.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Hi.
Locations impacted include Kennett Square, Oxford, West
Oh,
Road,
what the
Glenroy,
hell?
Mount Vernon, Campbellsville, Landenberg, North Star, Avondale, and Tuscanaman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania. The current time is 2:12 p.m. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 6:15 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 27 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 19 nautical miles west of Back River to 16 nautical miles north of
By the way, if you were wondering why I have the 120 set up like that, it's so it won't be all static. And and so it'll actually go off for alerts, unlike
small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly
well,
higher
whenever,
winds and waves
but-
capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Rock Hall, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Here is the
Just
area
like
weather
that.
summary. A cold front will continue to approach from the west today. The cold front will stall Tuesday, then it should dissipate on Wednesday. The next cold front approaches the region Thursday. Storms to the north, south, and east Friday before weakening inland over the weekend. Another cold front may approach Saturday or Sunday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north to Pools Island, Maryland.
Okay. Finally got one. We get a 1050 up in here.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yep.
Central Parkland County in northern Maryland.
They've done literally nothing for like 10 minutes and I'm mad. They've issued 3 things since 4:42 and it's 4:57 right now. 3 things. 4:57. Since 4:42 they've issued 3 fucking things. Well, issued 2 and expired 1. And they'll move into our area soon, so whatever, it's fine. I don't give a fuck. Yes.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland.
He went off
River
too.
to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay until 6:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a gust front was located along the line extending from Dobbins Island to near Annapolis to 7 nautical miles west of Mayo, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boarders and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Kent Narrows Bridge, Magacy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Love Point, Naval Academy, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Romancoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Shady Side and Mail. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a flood statement. Flood advisory remains in effect until 5 this afternoon.
Finally, the rest we are.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Glenroy to Zion to Charlestown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Oxford, West Grove, Newport, Greenville, Stanton, North Star, Glasgow, Bear, Landenberg, Pike Creek, Campbellsville, Hockenson, Ashland, Wilmington Manor, Avondale, and Tuscanaman. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Good to know.
In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cecil County,
Okay.
northeastern Maryland, until
That was quick. I got that off quick. Even oh.
Warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northwest of Pea Patch Island to 11 nautical miles west of Stony Point, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pea Patch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire waters.
Speed running. Bruh, marine warning again.
Marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay until 8 p.m. At 6:25
there
p.m.,
it is, bruh.
a strong thunderstorm was located over Mattapique, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Kent Narrows Bridge, Magothy River, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, 7 Foot Knoll, Mattapique, Dobbins Island, Annapolis, and Mayo. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Pools Island.
Damn. Oh no. I'm just gonna let this happen. Well, I close my window. You've had enough for today. If they ever tone it. Okay, well, I guess we'll just sit here until. Okay. Finally.
Little Choptank River, Patrickson River to Boones Island, Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boones Island, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail.
Good for you.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Brooms Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
So I see. Jesus Christ.
Philadelphia International Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 71 degrees.
How did half of y'all go off? Whatever. Bruh.
Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point,
Again
Maryland.
with the
Chesapeake Bay from
static,
Sandy
bro.
Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patrickson River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 9:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to near Flag Harbor to near Greenwell State Park, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, St. Leonard Creek, Blacklenet Point, Chesapeake Beach, Solomon's Island, Coupled Creek, Down Creek, Drum Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Stillman Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the following areas: North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland. And the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay.
I'll give you shitty reception stories. Season 1, Episode 1. The 120, the recoms bullshittery. Dude, is that hard to code something, like, for real? You're telling me, as soon as I put all my stuff away, you got issue 1.
Issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:05 p.m.,
I'll be asleep.
strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Flag Harbor to White Point Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Coupled Creek, Greenwell State Park, Down Creek, Drum Point, James Island, Calvert.
I was just about to get ready for sleeping, and then Sterling happened.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay.
Thank you, Sterling.